Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is stereo class AB200 was amplifier. Here you have to connect transformer 24 volt AC and ground 8 ampere transformer. Here we have used 10 ampere diode. You can also use 6 ampere diode. This both filter capacitor are 4700 microfarad 63 volt. This is left audio inputs. And this is right audio inputs. Connect here right speaker. And here left. This is 2 watt resistor. Use 0.33 ohms resistor. This all transistor are to SC5 to 00 NPN transistor. This is bottom side of PCB. If you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notification.